guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see, I took boneless 3.5 kg beef, and this is a changer, and here is garlic, and I only put oil. It's heating. So actually my sister is living from Bangalore, which she's staying there. She don't get beef, so I make for her some chutney. And I know everybody knows the recipe, but I just want to know, I just want to share my recipe. So let's get started. Has it's depend on you how much you want to put. I put too much. This is less. You can put more ginger. It will be more tasty, and even the garlic you can cook more. So here what I will do is, first let me fry ginger. Where is that? Then I'll put king chili and dry chili as well. I'll show you the recipe once again. So when I boiling, I only put salt, but I'll put a little bit here also, and you can put the turmeric as well. I have to fry it. It should be brown color, and I'll add some This should be brown color. Some salt when I'm boiling also. मैंने मीट में भी salt already डाला, लेकिन वो it one enough. मैं थोड़ा turmeric डालेगा. So as you can see, the ginger is already brown color, so I'll add beef. अभी में beef डालेगा. Last night I cook, and I did this piece and I keep for one night because it was very less, so not possible to make last night. So I'll fry some time and I'll put garlic. So meantime I'll ground the king chili and dry small chili in the blender, and I'll put green chili also. Within 5-10 minutes, otherwise it will burn. The color is not so good right now, but after I add chili powder, then it looks very good. So मैं अभी ये स्मॉल ड्राई चिली एंड ये 5 किंग चिली. आप लोग ज़्यादा स्पाइसी नहीं खाएगा तो थोड़ा ही डालो, लेकिन पता है ना, हम लोग तो स्पाइसी ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो ये क्रंच करके डाल देगा. So right now it's almost 30 minutes. So right now I'll add that rich dry chili and green chili. Let me add this, and then I'll put some red chili for color. उसके बाद I'll add ginger. Not ginger, garlic, sorry. And after that I'll be less flame. I took 30 minutes. Otherwise, if I keep too much flame, it will burn. Oh my god, look. Oh, the color is so nice after I put the chili and all. Right now, nothing to add. I'll just try salt and then after finish, I'll put michinga. But right now, I have to cook 20 to 30 minutes. I already flame is very less, so I have to cook slowly. Oh, smell is so good. See, you can do small pieces, but for me I like thoda para chahiye, so I make it the big size. Oh my god, my chutney is already done. So already done. Right now I'll just add this machina, only cracked and I keep. So it's done. Okay guys, so I make for my sister a chutney, beef chutney. So this already done. I put michinga. Wow, so yummy. Okay, thank you so much guys. If you like my recipe, you can make it like that. Okay, thank you so much and see you in next video. Bye bye.